because the Paramatma is everywhere, therefore what? Na pragrashyet priyam prapya, no dvijet prapya cha priyam, sthira buddhira sammuraha, brahmavid brahmani sthitah. Na pragrashyet priyam prapya, na udvijet cha apriyam prapya. So a beautiful quality, very good sadhana. I mean, don't get excited unnecessarily if something good happens, or don't get depressed something. I just tell you one story, I don't know. 4 minutes time is there. My target is 2 slokas. But if you give me 2 minutes more time, I will tell a story. Pakka dealing only. Vyapar. Lok Sabha bill has to be passed. Otherwise, I don't have any kujili to pass the bill also. If it is not approved, dump it in a dustbin, go. There was a village on a mountain, a Himalayan mountain, like mountain ranges, and there is a kingdom is there. An old man living with his only grandson. There is no daughter and son, they all died. And old man, grandson, 8-year-old man, grandson, about 11, 12-year-old. And they have one horse. They are using that horse to carry the loads and then little earning, and somehow they are living. But mountain regions are like, distant houses are not clustered, little distance and all that, but a big village and all that. Okay. One day what happened, the horse of this old man, right, came out of the fence and disappeared into the jungles, mountain jungles. Ranges are seen like this. Where it has gone, nobody knows. Gone. And all the villagers came and started telling the old man, what a bad luck, what a bad luck, what a bad luck, to sympathize with him. What a bad luck. This old man, what is bad luck in this? No, the horse has gone, what a bad luck. He said, how do you say that it is a bad luck? He said, already 60 crossed, people said, Shatiya gaya in Hindi, pagal ho gaya actually. So now he's after Shatiya gaya, 20 years ho gaya. After 60, he crossed 20 more years. So exactly pagal ho gaya, mad man. We came to console, the horse is lost, only occupation dependence is there. This fellow is screaming that how he is bad luck and all that. Thoda net to lose, they went away. After 5 days, the horse returned with 4 stallions. They made some friend, they all said, we are Anatha. No problem, our Anatha is there, you come. So all the 4, one day, they all 5 started, 1 plus 4. Maybe come in. Old man, sir. 4, 5? Where did you bring? No, I brought my friends also. Please, hello us. Okay, come inside. Suddenly prosperity increased. All villagers came again, hundreds of them. Oh, what a good luck, what a good luck, what a good luck. This man again asked, how good luck? 4 stallions you got, rascal, free of this one, not on purchase. Apne aap aa gaya 4 haathe, 4 ghode, chote. What does you need? He said, no, how can you say that it is good luck? Okay, they have come, they are staying in my fence, that's all fine. But how can you say it's good luck? So this is a confirmed madness, and so they went away. First they only thought about it, so they confirmed case of gone case. So now after some days, the king of that area was attacked by other king, so he was losing the army. So before that only, this boy, one day, a 12-year-old boy, was playing with one of the stallions and he fell down. And he broke his leg and picked patta and then he's lying down there. Again villagers came, what a bad luck, what a bad luck. Because of horse only, he prayed and he fell down. He again asked, what is the bad luck in this? No, what nonsense, you cannot get a cup of tea also in the morning without your grandson. Now you are an old man, no workers are available here. He is really bad luck only. No, how can you say it's a bad luck? They all went away. That is impossible to repair. Beyond counseling also. So the one day what happened, the king was attacked by other king. So all the losing army, he gave a call, all the youngsters, that is even to 12-year-old, 13-year-old, whatever it is, teenagers, everybody should join the war. Everybody in the village went except this boy because the patti was sitting there with a big band-aid and all. So all of them went and all of them were killed. And all villagers cried and they came to old man, what a good luck, what a good luck. He said, why everybody died, only your son is left because he broke his leg. Then he said again, how can you say it is a good luck? Then they all surrendered, Mahaprabhu, what is your wisdom? What is that you want to communicate? He said, experiences come, don't label them as good or bad. அவ்வளோதான். அவ்வளோதான், ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். That's it. Just watch. Somebody died, watch. Somebody born, watch. Na pravishet priyam prapya. Is it not very wonderful? So, therefore, don't get, study intellect, keep it. Na pravishet priyam prapya. Priyam prapya, don't grieve when something bad happens, unpleasant happens. Why? Sthira buddhihi, make your buddhi sitadihi muniruchyate, sita prajna sadochate, sita pratishtita. So everything study in sthira buddhihi, asammudaha, undiluted, sthira buddhihi, asammudaha, undiluted. Study intellect, and a man of study intellect and who is undiluted, Brahmavit, he becomes slowly knower of Brahman, Brahmanistitaha, he gets established in that Supreme Brahman. Therefore, just stop labeling. Right? Don't label. It's a very big job. Don't label. Nothing. At the most, what will happen? You exit out of the body. Adudana. What will happen beyond that? Avyaktaadini bhutani, vyaktamadhyani bharata, avyaktanadhanani patrikaparadevana. What is there to cry in that? Therefore, last sloka we will see for today, because we have 2 minutes time. Bahyasparshvesha saktatma vindatyatmani yatsukam sabrahmayogayuktatma sukhamashnayamashnude. So one technique is given. Bahyasparsheshu asaktatma. Indriya goes out and sparsha take with Vishaya Vastu. Sparsha. Bhagavan says asaktatma. Meaning, you move in the world but see that they don't stick to you. One example I'll give you, one simple example. This jackfruit, how to cut? You have to keep 2 kilos of oil. If possible, you also drown in it. If required. You burn completely oil. Then open it. Is it not? It won't stick to you. But experience of feeling is there. But they don't stick to you. Experience takes place. But they don't stick to you. Bahyasparsheshu asaktatma. Not be sticking to everything. This adu venu, idu venu, appadi pannano, ippadi pannano, adudha, ippada venu. All this nonsense, so many things. So therefore, no, so much of things. Some house, when tomato is not there, a whole day they were struggling for tomato only. Tomato illame sambar ipidi, or rasam ipidi. So they stop rasam only. Ayyo, rasam illame sambar ipidi. Sambar and why sambar? One day you starve, no? नॉर्थ में आलू 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 है क्या? You go to Himalayas, you don't get coffee there. And even if the coffee also, they give arthi to the milk only, like this. Coffee powder they put. Strong coffee, little sir. Strong coffee powder and where is coffee powder? So you get attached. Asaktatma. Bahyasparsheshu asaktatma atmani vindati yat sukham. Wonderful. And this mind is not craving for these things, and inside itself is sukham vindati. Because inside is enjoying. ठीक है जो है. Too much of planning for unwanted things. Please avoid. Too much of planning. You go to shopping, 2 hours, 3 hours you go for shopping without purchasing anything. Nothing, no design I like it. But you observed 1,000 sarees, you searched it there, I was told, I know 1,000 sarees I saw. So what? I did not get my design. What did he want? I told him, this saree quality, this border, and the design, this impossible combination. Really like it now. Ultimately, he made the poor fellow open 1,000 sarees. He piled, constructed Qutub Minar and Charminar on the table. And you came out after drinking cool drinks also. Merciless people. Bahya-sparsheshu asaktatma arpanayat sukham vindate sa brahma yoga yuktatma. Very wonderful. Such a man who's constantly brahma yoga yuktatma, meditating on Brahman. Always Brahman sukham akshaya sukham ashnute. He enjoys that limitless bliss inside. There is nothing asakta. Detached, completely detached. There is no craving. You know, for a Bengali, Rasgulla naam sunte hi pani aa jata मुझे. Rasgulla, don't remind me. Like Tamilians के लिए सांबार, or North India में, where sambar is not available. Sambar smell, मार चारधाम जाते tell me. Sounds like sambar smell, I think is coming. Sambar smell in Himalayas. जो मिला ठीक है. थैंक यू. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज